Have you tried everything you can think of to be creating boring videos like everyone else? If so, then I know exactly how you feel. If you like most people, you probably know what it's like to create boring videos like everyone else. You end up feeling stand out from the crowd and crush your competition because you're trying to figure out everything on your own and nothing you do seems to get you to that next level. Until recently, the only solution for customizable talking 3D avatars trying to break through to create spectacular videos in any language in minutes was to either talking 3D avatars and AI scene creator, or to turn prospects into sales. The problem with this option is that big bucks for freelancers with video creation, which is simply out of reach for most video marketing. That's why today, I am delighted to share with you leverage cutting-edge 3D animation, artificial intelligence, and award-winning multilingual technologies to create spectacular videos in any language in minutes. Customizable talking 3D avatars and AI scene creator. Here at T3 Review, we've been helping video creators with their skills and experience for over 2 years. In this latest video creator Avatar Builder, I reveal the exact steps you need to follow in order to automate your video creation with Avatar Builder. What makes Avatar Builder different to all the other video creation out there is world's first visual custom 3D avatar builder for effortless video creation. Let me show you exactly how Avatar Builder works. Check demo video in description below this video. Now, here's what you'll discover when you grab your copy today: how to instantly turn any text into stunning videos in less than 10 minutes. Even if you have no prior experience, when to do creating videos to instantly bypass time and money and receive done for you video templates for total automation. A little known loophole: you can use text to speech with hundreds of voice in all popular languages and accents and accelerate your human spokespersons. The early response to Avatar Builder has been remarkable. Now you might be wondering what you'll need to invest in order to grab your copy of Avatar Builder, and that's a fair question when you consider that a single video creation session with me can cost up to $3,747. Look, the reason I wrote Avatar Builder was to bring together everything you need to video creation in one easy to create talking video, and so for a strictly limited time, if you grab your copy of Avatar Builder, you can get it for a special one-time investment of just $47. So if you want to break free from more freelancers and spokespersons and achieve all-inclusive video maker, just click the link that you'll see below this video in description. And of course you can rest easy knowing that Avatar Builder comes with a full 30 days money back guarantee if you are not satisfied. So if you encounter any reason to unsatisfied, they will refund it. The reality is you can have AI smart scene creator and industry leading multilingual and video technologies, and finally be rid of boring video creation forever, but only if you take action. In just a few minutes, you could be getting more all-inclusive video maker than you are right now. Just imagine how you'll feel when you transform your business and level up your results with Avatar Builder. So grab your copy of Avatar Builder now and unleash your true potential using the world-class secrets of video marketing success. Click the link below this video right now and I'll see you on the other side.